Did you know who you are before the world told you who you need to be? Or are you just following the rat race, hoping you'd land a high-paying job? Because reality might disappoint you. While India is currently one of the fastest growing countries in the world, it's believed that the current generation is one of the smartest in the history, living in one of its best times as the world is at our fingertips. India has the highest youth percentage in the world, yet more than half of them are unemployed. Where is the problem? Right from our childhood, we were told to study hours and hours every single day. But even after studying day and night, getting good grades in exams, and even graduating from the biggest universities, many people are still jobless. Does this prove everything we have ever believed in has been wrong? The answer is yes. Everyone tells you to be perfect for the job, but nobody talks about the job being perfect for you. Forget the job, nobody talks about you. So here we are, trying to be someone we wish we had while growing up so that we could have lived a completely different life. Think of us as your friend, guide, mentor, or whatever you call it. We aim to help you understand yourself better and become the best versions of yourself. If that sounds great to you, consider subscribing to Uggs Guru because you are the future of India and we are going to help you be the best.